Make this easy Japanese sesame green beans recipe in 15 minutes. Crunchy green beans coated in a sweet, savoury sesame sauce that is so addictive, you want it on every vegetable. There's something wonderfully simple about Japanese cooking that makes their side dishes so easy. When cooking the green beans, make sure you don't overcook them. You want them bright, green, and a bit of crunch. Just a quick blanch and straight into cold water to stop them from going dull and mushy. What makes this recipe special is the freshly grounded toasted sesame seeds. Can use pre-ground sesame seeds, but it won't have the same full nutty aroma. A few seconds in the mortar and pestle is all it takes to release the natural oils and flavour. I prefer a coarser grind to retain the crunch and texture. If you prefer a smoother sauce, grind the sesame seeds more finely. I love that this recipe takes less than 15 minutes to make and can be prepped ahead for the week. Share with warm rice bowls, grilled meats, teriyaki salmon, or you can serve it chilled with packed lunch boxes. This is an easy side dish that is perfect for weeknight dinners, meal prep, and quick lunches.